The Bobcat Trencher attachment is a versatile tool that can be used to dig trenches for underground utilities, such as water and gas lines, as well as for drainage and erosion control. The attachment attaches to a Bobcat skid steer or compact track loader and uses a chain-type trencher to dig trenches up to 36 inches deep and as narrow as 4 inches wide. The trencher is powered by the host machine's hydraulic system and features a digging chain with carbide-tipped teeth that cut through soil and other materials. The depth and width of the trench can be adjusted by adjusting the position of the digging chain, and the speed of the trenching can be controlled using the skid steer's joystick controls. The Bobcat Trencher attachment also features a backfill blade that can be used to level and compact soil in the trench after it has been dug. This helps to ensure that the trench is stable and ready for the installation of utilities.